Hi guys and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I like to make the kaleidoscope effect, and how does it work you will see after my intro. Today I like to build my own kaleidoscope and to take pictures through it or with it. Sure, you can also buy a kaleidoscope in the internet. I think the results will be similar, but I like to have my own kaleidoscope and it's very cheap to make your own kaleidoscope. So I'll do it today, and let's go ahead with the materials I use for the kaleidoscope and later on for my pictures. First of all, I think I have to send you shopping because I think the most people don't have it at home, because I didn't, but maybe you have it at home and then you're a cool guy. But I think really that most people don't have this kind of special packaging at home, because in Germany we have some sweets, they called mini Schoko Küsse. I translated in English in mini chocolate kisses, and I really don't know the real English name. If you know it, please leave me a comment below. But I think with this picture you know what I mean. These are some frothy chocolate sweets, and also it's very common in Germany to buy this one, and the packaging is very special because if I open it you can see the silver mirror effect, and this is very important because you need this later on for your kaleidoscope. Maybe you can also use some mirror foil if you cannot buy this special packaging in your country. Then you need a cling film. I think everybody has it in their kitchen. And the next item is a normal tape and of course a scissor, and then you can build your kaleidoscope. And in the normal kaleidoscope in the front you have a lot of beads and pearls, and also of course you need beads and pearls, and I prefer the transparent ones because the effect is cooler. Then you need a glass table, and I don't have a glass table, and if you know me you know that I use a normal aquarium as a glass table. And then for light I used only one torch, and to get a cooler color effect for my beads I used different colorfuls in front of my torch. And these are all the items you need, and I took my pictures with the Olympus MD1 Mark II, the one who is filming me right now, and my lens was a 60mm macro lens. To create a kaleidoscope is very easy. First you disassemble the package, then you have to decide one size for your kaleidoscope. For my lens a small one is enough, and the small flap is suitable of my packaging. Now cut a piece and fold the flap several times. This way you get an isosceles triangle. Now you stick it together with some tape. And now you have the basic framework for your kaleidoscope. Now take the cling film and fix it on one side. And now remove the excess on each side to do a safety lock with tape on each side of the triangle of your kaleidoscope, that the cling film don't move away later on if you put some beads and pearls inside. My setup is very easy. You have to take a glass table, in my case my aquarium, and now you have to put some glass pearls inside of your kaleidoscope, and you have to place it on top of your glass table. And now you have to take your torch and you have to place it below your kaleidoscope. And if you like to change the color you can choose different colorfuls and lay it on top of your torch, and now you can take your pictures from above. But one thing bothered me: if I switch off now all the light, expect my torch, I got always the outside and the area around my kaleidoscope visible, and I like to have it black on my pictures. Because of these I did a template and I cut it out a triangle. It's the same size than my kaleidoscope has, and I place it below my kaleidoscope, and now I can take my pictures with a black surrounding around my kaleidoscope. If I switched off all the light, expect my torch. And of course I did also my pictures from above by hand. And now I think we can go ahead with my camera settings, and after that I will show you my results. My camera settings are very simple today. I choose the manual mode, focused manually, and of course I switched on the image stabilization because I did my pictures by hand. And my ISO was by 200 and my exposure time was between 1/20th and 1/300th. And this is because in combination of my torch and my color folds, how much light they absorbed. And then my aperture was generally open, and I think now we can go ahead with my results. Today I had fun to build my own kaleidoscope and to take pictures through it, and I hope you had fun to watch this tutorial and maybe to make your own kaleidoscope. And I think we will see us next Friday here on my channel with something creative, what's in my mind, and now I wish you a good time. Ciao!